My name is Ben. Most people call me Mr. Ben. I share stories like this one because nobody ever taught us the real rules of money. Not in school, not at home, and definitely not on a billboard. If you're new here and you find what I share useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps more people find this. Now, I've spent years watching people make the same mistake, quietly losing real money in ways they never notice. The moment I understood what I'm about to share, everything changed. I was driving through an ordinary neighborhood when I saw a man walking to his car. Plain gray t-shirt, khaki trousers, a Toyota Camry that had seen better days. Nothing about him suggested anything special. And yet, that man is worth more than most people will earn in 10 lifetimes. You just drove past a billionaire and you didn't even notice. That's exactly the problem. Meet Daniel. He makes $95,000 a year, drives a leased BMW, wears a watch that costs 2 paychecks, and updates his wardrobe every season because that's what people at his level do. He looks the part, but he has $800 in savings, a nearly untouched retirement account, and a quiet anxiety every Friday when he swipes his card. His boss, the company founder, drives a 2017 Honda Pilot, shops at a department store, and has a net worth of $40 million. Same city, same streets, very different trajectories.
Here's the trap nobody talks about. We've been taught to perform wealth before we've built it. Every advertisement ever made was designed to convince you that looking wealthy and being wealthy are the same thing. They are not. They are often the complete opposite. The most dangerous financial mistake isn't a bad investment. It's spending money to signal a status you haven't reached yet. I call it what it really is, paying to feel like you've already won. And while you're paying for that feeling, the people who actually have won stopped paying for it long ago. The most dangerous financial mistake isn't a bad investment. It's spending money to signal a status you haven't reached yet. The deep truth. Studies tracking genuinely wealthy people found something surprising. Most don't live in flashy neighborhoods or drive expensive cars. They're more likely to negotiate a discount than overpay out of pride. Because at some point, they made a switch most people never make. They stopped buying things and started buying time and options. Think of it like a garden. Every dollar spent on luxury today is a seed burned instead of planted. Every dollar redirected into assets and compounding is a seed that grows another, which grows another. The man in the Camry isn't cheap. He's playing a different game, one where the scoreboard is invisible, and that invisibility is part of the strategy. Why we fall for it. So why do smart people keep falling for this? Because our brains weren't built for modern finance, they were built for tribes. Showing resources had survival value back then, but that same instinct is now being weaponized against you. Every time you see someone's new car and feel a flicker of inadequacy, that's your tribal brain firing. And every time you upgrade to match, the algorithm of consumerism completes its loop. You didn't choose that, it was designed. The people who build real wealth have just learned to name it when it shows up. The reframe. Here's the reframe that changes everything. Wealth is not what you show. Wealth is what you don't have to show. It's the ability to say no to a job you hate. It's never checking your balance before helping someone you love. The billionaire in the Camry has nothing left to prove. So the real question isn't what does success look like, it's who are you performing your success for?
3 real shifts, not hacks. First, audit your status spending. Look at your last 90 days and mark anything bought because of how it would look to others. That number will surprise you. Second, widen the gap between earning and spending. The only variable that builds wealth is the distance between income and outflow. Widen it by just 10% and you're playing the long game. Third, make your money invisible. When a raise comes, redirect it before lifestyle creep reaches it.
automate it. The wealthy don't have more willpower. They've just built better systems. The man in the Camry will never make your local rich list. He'll never be photographed on a yacht. But quietly, his money is working while he sleeps, compounding while the world scrolls through other people's highlight reels. He isn't chasing anything. He already caught it. Every time I share this, people tell me it's the thing nobody ever sat them down and explained. So consider this me sitting you down. Ask yourself today, who told me what wealth is supposed to look like, and what did they have to gain from me believing it? I'm Mr. Ben, and I'll see you in the next one.